If you looked at a globe, which is a model of the Earth, you would find Antarctica at the bottom. On the right, you see a picture of the Arctic Circle. If you looked at a globe, you would find the Arctic Circle at the top. What do you notice? What do you wonder? You are looking at two pictures of polar bears. Polar bears live in the Arctic Circle. They normally eat seals, walruses, and other large sea mammals. In the warmer summer months, polar bears also eat fish because their regular source of food is less available. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Let's look at the pictures at the bottom before we look at problem number 1. On the left, you see pink salmon. They are generally about 3 to 6 pounds. King salmon on the right, though, are generally 10 to 50 pounds. Sometimes they even get up to 130 pounds. Problem number 1. I noticed a polar bear eating salmon from a stream. The polar bear ate 2 king salmon weighing a total of 77 pounds. Then the polar bear ate 1 pink salmon weighing 6 pounds. I wonder how many pounds of salmon the polar bear ate. How many pounds of salmon did the polar bear eat? This year you've often used ones and tens blocks to add. How can you use them to add 77 plus 6? Drawing pictures of the ones and 10 blocks can also help. Be sure to type your answer on the answer box. Pause the lesson while you solve the problem. Restart the lesson when you are ready to move on. Does this picture look something like how you started? I used the ones and tens blocks to build the numbers 77 and 6. You see 7 tens and 7 ones, and you also see 6 ones. When you add large numbers, we add the ones to ones and the tens to tens. See how I pushed the ones together? There were no more tens, so my 7 tens did not change yet. When I add my 7 ones and my 6 ones, I can start by adding 3 of the 6 ones to 7 to make a 10. 70 plus 10 equals 80. Now I can add 80 plus the 3 leftover ones. 80 plus 3 equals 83. So 76 plus 6 equals 83. The polar bear ate 83 pounds of salmon. We can add 77 plus 6 another way. We can use place value. 77 equals 7 tens and 7 ones. So we will add 7 tens plus 7 ones plus 6 ones. We'll start by adding 7 ones and 6 ones. I can break apart the 6 ones into 3 ones plus 3 ones. That way I can add 7 ones plus 3 ones to make 1 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 tens plus 1 10 equals 8 tens. 8 tens plus 3 ones equals 83. 77 plus 6 equals 83. The polar bear ate 83 pounds of salmon. Look at the pictures of the penguins. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Penguins live in the southern hemisphere below the equator. That's the red line on the map of the Earth. It's not really a red line, it's just drawn there. They spend a large part of their life swimming, catching fish, and other small sea life. They rest and build nests on ice shelves or floating ice. When they swim in groups, it's called a raft. When they gather on land, it is called a colony. A large colony of penguins on land is called a rookery. They have over 1,000 pairs of penguins. Problem number 2. I noticed there were 58 pairs of Gen 2 penguins standing on an ice shelf. Then I noticed 9 more pairs of penguins hopped on the ice shelf. I wondered, how many pairs are on the ice shelf in all? How many pairs of penguins are on the ice shelf? How can you use the ones and tens blocks to help you add 58 plus 9? Drawing pictures of the ones and tens blocks can help. Be sure to type your answer in the answer box. Pause the lesson while you solve the problem. Restart it when you're ready to continue. I built 58 with 5 tens and 8 ones. I built 9 with 9 ones. Now we can add tens to tens and ones to ones. I will start by adding 8 plus 9. I can take 2 blocks from the 9, so I can make the 8 a 10. I still have 7 ones left out of the 9 ones. Now I can add 50 plus 10 plus 7. 50 plus 10 equals 60. 60 plus 7 equals 67. So 58 plus 9 equals 67. There were 67 Gentoo penguins on the ice shelf. I can use place value to add 58 plus 9. I broke apart the 58 into 50 plus 8. Now I can add 8 plus 9. I can break apart 9 into 2 plus 7. That helps me make a new 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 50 plus 10 equals 60. And 60 plus the remaining 7 equals 67. 58 plus 9 equals 67. There were 67 pairs of Gentoo penguins on the ice shelf. Problem number 3. I noticed a polar bear swam 49 miles in 2 days. The next day it swam 9 more miles. I wondered how many miles did the polar bear swim in the 3 days? How many miles did the polar bear swim in 3 days? How can you use the 1s and 10s blocks to add 49 plus 9? Drawing pictures of the 1s and 10s blocks will help. Be sure to type your answer in the answer box. Pause the lesson while you solve the problem. Restart the lesson when you are ready to move on. I can build 49 with 4 10s and 9 1s. I can build 9 with 9 1s. I can start by adding 9 plus 9. I will break apart the second 9, the green blocks in the picture, into 1 plus 8, so I can make another 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now I can add 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 equals 50. So now I have to add 50 plus 8. 50 plus 8 equals 58. So 49 plus 9 equals 58. The polar bear swam 58 miles in 3 days. Let's add 49 plus 9 with place value. I can break apart 49 into 40 plus 9. Now I can add 9 plus 9. I can break apart 9 into 1 plus 8 so that I can make a 10. 9 plus that 1 equals 10. Now I can add the 10s together. 40 plus 10 equals 50. 50 plus 8 equals 58. So 49 plus 9 equals 58. The polar bear swam 58 miles in 3 days. Problem number 4. I noticed a raft of 36 penguins swimming in the ocean. 8 more penguins jumped in the water and joined the raft. I wondered how many penguins were swimming in the raft in all. How many penguins were swimming in the raft? How can 10s and 1s blocks help you add 36 plus 8? Remember, drawing pictures of the 1s and 10s blocks will help. Be sure to type your answer in the answer box. Pause the lesson while you solve the problem. Restart the lesson when you are ready to move on. I built 36 with 3 10s and 6 1s. I built 8 with 8 1s. I can add 6 plus 8. I will break apart the 8 1s into 4 1s plus 4 1s. That way I can make a 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now I will add the 10s together. 30 plus 10 equals 40. And 40 plus 4 equals 44. 36 plus 8 equals 44. 44 penguins were swimming in the raft. Let's add 36 plus 8 using place value. The 36 can be broken into 30 plus 6. Now we can add 6 plus 8. I'm going to break apart the 8 into 4 plus 4 because I need to make a 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now I can add my 10s. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 40 plus 4 equals 44. 36 plus 8 equals 44. 44 penguins were swimming in the raft. This is our exit ticket. Number 5. The polar bear ate 2 king salmon weighing a total of 65 pounds. Then the polar bear ate 1 pink salmon weighing 7 pounds. How many pounds of salmon did the polar bear eat? Pause the lesson while you solve the problem and record your answer. Restart the lesson to answer the next question. Number 6. There were 87 pairs of Gen 2 penguins standing on an ice shelf. Then 8 more pairs of Gen 2 penguins hopped on the ice shelf. How many pairs of Gen 2 penguins are on the ice shelf? Pause the lesson while you solve the problem. Remember to record your answer. Restart the lesson to continue. Today you learned how to add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. You use the ones and tens blocks, and you use the place value strategy too.